Hello Euanne Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. Today, gagawa tayo ng napakasarap na Yema balls na pang negosyo. At ito ang ating mga ingredients, but don't forget to click the subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. 5 pieces of peanut, sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 can of condensed milk. Now, let's start to cook our Yema balls. Turn on the stove in the medium heat. Now, ilagay na natin yung 3 tablespoons of oil. Then, add the 1 can of condensed milk. Mix it well. Once kumulo na ang ating condensed milk, ilagay na natin yung peanut. From medium fire, palitan natin to in the low heat pero hindi sobrang hina. 10 to 15 minutes, stir constantly yung ating Yema ball but don't overcook para hindi ito tumigas na parang candy. Just remember, don't overcook the Yema ball. Stir constantly until it thickens. Cook the Yema until semi-thick, then turn off the stove now. Grease the plate with oil. Put the Yema in the plate and let it cool. Now, let's prepare our sugar. Now, let's start our Yema bowl. So, I use half teaspoon of measuring. Bilugin lang natin yung ating Yema. And then, ilagay natin ito sa sugar para maging coating ito. And then, sa isang malinis na bowl, ilagay natin yung ating finished product. Then, ulit-ulitin lang natin itong gawin hanggang maubos natin yung ating Yema mixture na ginawa. Ayan, ganito magiging itsura ng ating Yema ball. So, ang sarap kainin. Ayan, Euanne Friends, sa isang can of condensed milk, nakagawa ko ng 70 pieces of Yema balls. So, pwede nyo itong ibenta na 2 pesos each. So, Euanne Friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So, until next video, bye! I love you!